Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from the US to other countries in 2025. Whether you're sending cash to family abroad, paying for international studies, or handling business transactions, 2025 has made it easier and faster than ever with new tech and streamlined services. Let's break it down step by step so you can do this confidently and avoid any headaches. First off, why transfer money internationally? In 2025, with global economies more connected, you might need to support loved ones or invest overseas. The key is choosing the right method. Start by exploring options like Wise, Revolut, or even bank apps from giants like Chase or Bank of America. These services use advanced blockchain tech for quicker, cheaper transfers. Step 1. Gather your essentials. You'll need a valid US ID, the recipient's full details including their bank account or mobile wallet, and your funding source. Think checking account or credit card. Pro tip. Always check for the latest regulations, as 2025 brings updated AML, anti-money laundering, rules to prevent fraud. Next, compare fees and exchange rates. Apps like Wise often offer the best rates with low fees, sometimes under 1%, thanks to real-time currency conversion. Avoid traditional banks if speed is key, as they can take days and charge more. Once you're set, initiate the transfer through the app or website. It's as simple as entering details and confirming with a secure PIN or biometrics. Security is huge in 2025, so use two-factor authentication and only trusted platforms to protect against scams. After sending, track your transfer in real time and confirm with the recipient. Most transactions now clear in minutes. In summary, transferring money internationally doesn't have to be complicated. With these steps, you'll save time and money. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below on your experiences. Thanks for watching. See you next time.